Yes, see the nation people, the Statue of Liberty, them says a woman. I wonder why the woman them so blasted rough in the country. But here man, I don't know say the general the 10 star wanna represent. Here me I say right about now. Jahshii, me don't know. But here we go on. I see Silk Boss, then claim him there in a place. Sit down on a big couch, see? And guess what? Guess what? The man sit down on the couch and I say, look how him kill them easy. Not only that in the nation people. The man have a big matic in him lap. And I say him kill them easy. Jahshii, here I go on Jahshii. Me not take that in Jahshii. You see what I say, because you have some blog up on the internet where claim say I run in my brother. Me not take that shit there from you and Jahshii. And me not go take you stay one side and make Silk Boss a deal with a certain type of way. And guess what? Then you send out some local man, you know. For two of this son of him, you know. Me not like the energy, Jahshii. Me not like that energy there. You see what I say? Yo, Jahshii, you have to drop necessary equipment for Silk Boss. No gimmicks thing that there in it. Right now to me, I think that in there I get out of honor right about now. You see what I deal with? Yeah. It a get out of hand right about now. And no gimmicks thing, no lollipop thing that there in it. I be a people me hear run out and be a blogger say this and I say that and I said, Jahshii, you gonna make Silk Boss get away with all of them things there? And you unruly pick me. Come on Jahshii man. What's wrong with you? You know what I mean? Who I tell you about this or I tell you about that? Because you dropping us this song for Silk Boss, you know. Can't do nothing to Sunfest, my brother. Nah, Sunfest can't do nothing to that because after Sunfest done in Jahshii, remember you still have your career, you know, my brother. We have to look out, you know. Alright, now Silk Boss, you know, I try to ruin your reputation, you know, in terms, you know, I almost see the man I deal with certain things, you know. So what? You're gonna make him get away with that? Eh? Yo, Jahshii, me not take none of them things, my brother. You see what I say? So, right now, to me, just fix up what you have to fix up and drop necessary equipment, you know. The people them are wait, you know. And the whole street attack, you know, rude boy. And that are the biggest talk on the street, you know. You see what I say? Right now, you know, I don't know. Oh, you kick back and make Silk Boss song all a trend #1, you know. In this song, you know, trend #1 on trending, you know. Yo, Jahshii, that's not a great look for me, my brother. I don't like it, my brother. You see what I say? I don't know gimmicks thing nowadays. No joke shit not dead about it. I can't believe you stand up on there one side, you and your friend. Remember, Una Max Silk Boss, you know. And I tell him about, you know, see a bumbo cloth, rocky road where I drive, and all me can hear in the background. Yo, let me tell you something, I'm not laughing matter this no more, you know, Jahshii. This thing pass laughing matter, you know, my brother. Right now, this shit I talk about street cred thing, you know. And my sister Silk Boss come like say, well then, right now, no. So the way how the thing I go, and you not drop no this song for Silk Boss, but you see be a man I come out and I drop this song for him. Right now, you know, my virgin them I wonder if Silk Boss really arm and dangerous, you know. And that's why you have to approach him with caution, you know. And that the people them are saying, you know. I don't know what you're going to do, you know, Jahshii. The people them are wait for necessary equipment, you know. How long they must wait? After Sunfest, brother? No, my brother. No, my brother. I don't think Sunfest can. Because one night I work for Sunfest, you know. I don't think Sunfest can take away nothing from that, you know, my brother. And what you say? You're too focused to mash up Sunfest before you even say, well, then you're going to take on Silk Boss certain way, lyrical wise. Yo. Jahshii, mine, you know, by them time there, you know, you give Silk Boss too much powers and too much ammunition, you know. You see it? Him song a trend #1, you know, and trending, you know. I watch we go on now. Not only that, you know, the man a show off, you know. In him living room, you know, pan couch, you know, with big belly matic pan pop and lap, you know. And I say, oh, easy, you know, them dead, you know. Jahshii, we not gonna take that from you, brother. We don't know you as that type of youth, eh? We don't know you like that type of youth, my brother. We know you as an unruly youth, an unruly clash birth here, you know, my brother. Come on, man. Them time they would have even know nothing about silk bass, you know, my brother. An unruly clash birth here, you know. You see what I say? We never know nothing about silk bass, them time, so we don't know. Who really, I tell you so well then, don't drop no song for silk bass. I don't know. Come here, say bigger picture, you know. That means, well then, probably you want demolish Sunfest. Well, that would be a great boots here too, and a great boots here career. You know what I mean? Thus, by you dominating Sunfest, I make a whole heap of promoter. I watch that with them owner, I suppose. That means your booking supposed to turn up. That's what I say. But at the nether hand again, silk bass or ass cloth going like one of the wickedest thing right now. You see me? In the street, because guess where we go. The man sang a trend #1. The man in a video with big belly matic pan lap. And I say, I so easy him kill them. I so easy them dead. Me know, you know and me know, so you matter personally. Yo, and them talk there, make it seems like you're afraid of him. And me know you're not afraid of him, my brother. You see what I say? Jahshii, just roll out, my brother. No joke shit not dead about it. Just roll out the big song them. The this song them. Because straight, you know, in this year, you know, remember I'm not going around the corner, you know, call your name and everything. And even all attack some ridiculous thing where I not even know if I true, you know. Not just me, you know, Jahshii. The whole public want to know if I true, you know. I see that brother there, we drop the first this song. Jahshii, please don't make him drop no more. Because the street are going to say you're a coward. Because silk bass drop of this song, you know drop none, but that brother you go drop twice. Come on, man. That no sound good, Jahshii. They ever look good enough, my brother. I don't know joke shit. You know what I mean? Remember, you know, I used say, you know, house have a burn down, you know, and people have a runway, you know. The whole silk bass there in a house with big belly matic pan waist. Oh, you allow that? Eh? And him not fair run up and down because him house underneath living flames. Jahshii, cut the monarchy out, you know, and the bag of show pony business, you know. Let go the internet with that type of posing business and talking thing, you know. We want this song right now, you know. Quick and fast and quick, you know. I don't know joke shit, you know. You see what I say? You can't allow silk bass, you know, to dominate like that, you know. Right now, you know. When I look on the picture, I see silk bass. Then, in him place, pan couch, big strapping span lap, lean up, cock up and pose. Right now, I think some Al Pacino business in my deal with, you know, some dad's business in my deal with, you know. And some dad's business in my deal with, my brother, a dad business in my deal with. They all you allow that. And I you say, you know, make boy get comfortable because house have a gun down and people have to run with. One buckler, Jahshii, cut the fucking monarchy out now, man. I want to tell you, man, the people them are wait too long right now, my brother. Right now, people are worried. If you go drop a this song, or you not go drop a this song. Yo, tell a little soldier, my brother, just drop some music for try bust him career and him leave after trying this in silk bass, my brother. Because it will look good. You see what I say? Yeah. I don't hide and tell you, Jahshii, I tell you that straight. It don't look good. The people, the way we hear the people, them attack, that's not a good look, Jahshii. That's not a good look, you know. You see what I say? I make sure coming up in front, you know. the Statue of Liberty, that mean you can't bumbo clad say nothing, jahshii. You have to see what me I say, my brother. Me make sure you come in front of the Statue of Liberty to make you know, say, jahshii. Me can't believe me don't know which lane you're in, which part you're there, where somebody will tell you, say, leave Silk Boss until Sunfest. No, you give him too much hype. Alright, now, if Silk Boss come on Sunfest and drop the #1 trending song there, and it click more beer in and two, me don't know what you're gonna do for it. Me don't know what you're gonna do for defeat him, my brother. You know why? Because you make it stay too long. Anything will stay too long, serve two different masters. You hear me? You hear me, I say, jahshii? Anything will stay too long, serve two different masters. You hear that? Alright, you can't say me never tell you, you know. Alright, the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Yo, guys are we, you know? There ain't no other way. 10-star general.